Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Arterials AI traffic counter or the AI traffic counting software. You could either search for it on Google or you could go to the website arterials.co. I will put a link to that in the description of this video as well. So when you land on the AI traffic counting page, it's going to ask you for cookies. You can just pick whatever you want, and you want to go to the download tab if you don't want to read any of this other stuff. So you go to the download tab and you'll be taken to the download page where you're going to find this download button. So we just simply click the download button and it's going to ask us where we want to save the file. We save it in downloads and we just hit save, and you will see our download has begun. It will start downloading the file. Now it is about 1.5 GB, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a few minutes. I already have the software, so I'm just going to cancel this setup and move on to the next step. So I have the setup file over here, and I'm just going to run it. So it's going to Windows or Windows Defender or Firewall is going to ask you what it is you want to do. So we're just going to accept it as yes, and then you will see one of those standard setup wizards. You can read everything in the license agreement, accept it. There's a few links over here for licensing things. We'll get into that in a different video. So you accept the agreement, you click next, decide where you want to save the program. C drive is fine. I'd like to create a desktop shortcut, and I click install, and it is going to install the traffic counting software onto my computer. Now you do need about 4 GBs of free space on your hard drive for this to be a smooth process, so just putting that out there. So while your traffic counting software installs itself, feel free to hang around on the website. There are lots of planning tools for traffic engineers, transportation planners, pavement designers, transit operators that you can explore. You can see all of our services. You can learn more about the AI traffic counting software and how it works, what it can do for you. If you're interested in a detailed explanation, there is a comprehensive user guide that can help you with everything related to from installation to actually processing your first video. So all of that is a great resource. I will leave the link in the description for this user manual as well. So our setup is now complete. The software has been successfully installed, so we're just going to go ahead and finish that. Now we can, if you created a desktop shortcut, we can just go ahead and run our software from that desktop shortcut. So when the software runs for the first time, it's going to ask you for the email that you purchased your license with and the license key. But since we don't have that right now, we can just run it in the trial version, and that's just going to limit us to a 20-minute video limit, but for trial purposes, that's fine. And you will have access to all the features that this software has to offer you in trial mode. So if you want to learn about how to get a license and unlock unlimited length video processing, you can find the next video on purchasing a license, and I will include the link for that in the description as well. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment or you can send us an email at info@arterials.co or support@arterials.co. Both email addresses are valid and active, or you could just contact us through our contact form as well on our website. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have about not just the software, but transportation planning and engineering.